21st December 2012. Does this date seem familiar? Well, to some it might just be an ordinary date, but to some they might remember it as a time where the prophecy predicts that the world is going to end. So is the Mayan calendar wrong in its prediction? Do you know how did the Mayan calendar even come about, or how did the doomsday date even get predicted? Well, I guess not. So let us shed some light on the topic by first discussing on the Mayan number system.
Basically, the Mayan number system works on a base 20 system. There are 20 symbols representing 0 to 19, and the position of a symbol represents a multiple of 20. A dot represents 1 and a bar represents 5. Since the Mayans work on a base 20 number system, their 3 different calendars are also closely related to the number 20.
In the day calendar, there are 20 days and 13 numbers. Each day is given a name as shown here. A specific day will be represented by a number and a name. For example, 6 Kimi. The names and numbers will cycle like 2 interlocking gears. We can visualize this by this diagram from 13 Ben, then 1X, followed by 2 Men. Hence, this calendar will have a cycle of 260 days. This calendar is used to plan important events like weddings.
In the year calendar, there are 365 days divided into 18 months of 20 days and 1 month of 5 days. Each month is given a name as shown here. A specific day will be represented by a name and a number. For example, 10 Sit.
This diagram shows how both calendars work together. When we combine both calendars, a day is represented with both calendars. For example, 12 Lamat 15 Pop. It is a 52-year cycle for the same date to occur again.
Next, we explore these questions. How do we record events which happened more than 52 years ago? Why is 21st December 2012 considered the doomsday?
The long count calendar consists of 5 terms: Kin, Wino, Tun, Katun, and Baktun. A date in history can be represented with 5 numbers, with the first number representing Baktuns and the last number representing Kin.
The Great Cycle consists of 13 Baktuns, which is approximately 5,125 years. Historical records, carbon-14 measurements, have estimated the last day of the previous Great Cycle to be on 11th August 3114 BC. 21st December 2012 was estimated to be the last day of the next Great Cycle after 3114 BC. Did you know that the Mayans themselves did not expect the world to end in 2012? They expected it to be a time of great celebration and luck when the world completes the Great Cycle. So do you still believe that the world is going to end soon?